Who wouldn't want extra cash in their bank account? Well, there were limited ways of earning money in the past, but now making money is not a hard thing in this new era we're living in. There are several easy ways to make money. They aren't just easy because some of them are also going to sound weird. Hi guys, and welcome back to Glory Investing Show, and in today's video, I'm going to tell you about 9 weird side hustles that make $500 per day. Number 1. Stool donor. Yes, it's true that you're going to make money by selling your poop and becoming a stool donor. Patients who have severe illnesses from the bacteria C are given frozen stool. Extreme gastrointestinal distress brought on by the bacteria might render some victims housebound. Antibiotics frequently assist, but occasionally the bacterium returns as soon as the medication is stopped. This results in an unpleasant, ongoing antibiotic treatment. Doctors can permanently eradicate C by putting healthy feces into a patient's gut. Finding a donor can be difficult, and some patients become so desperate that they attempt to treat themselves with a friend and family member's feces. Yes, they do pay for healthy feces. A sample costs $40, and you get 50 cents extra if you visit 5 days a week. That amounts to $250 in weekly donations, or $13,000 annually. You have to be good in health too, so you have to keep your diet healthy and become a good stool donor. Well, I would say that $13,000 is not a bad number for just selling your poop. Number 2. Professional cuddler. As strange as that may sound, it's true, and there are private corporations that may help you be paid to cuddle. You can now work as a professional cuddler and assist clients in overcoming their psychological problems, stress, and loneliness. Some organizations will assist in matching you with random people that require cuddling services. For the inexperienced, cuddling is just a display of affection in which you hug someone close for warmth, comfort, or affection. People who work in cuddling industry might advertise themselves as professional cuddlers and get paid to cuddle. Some customers will want to vent and get things off their chests, so be prepared to listen and show empathy. Try your best not to provide any expert advice, unless you're a psychologist as well. It's wise to keep in mind that just because you get paid to cuddle doesn't make you an expert. It's an easy and somehow fun job. Cuddlers can have several sessions of cuddling each day. In general, they earn between $40 and $80 per hour, excluding tips. The hours are flexible, and even most expenses are paid. Giving people a professional cuddle is a fulfilling career where you can improve people's lives. Number 3. Dog walker and dog sitter. Although the pet sitting industry is flourishing and appears to be recession-proof, pet sitters' salaries can vary greatly. Depending on the city, the kind of client, and the services provided, dog sitters may bill anywhere from $8 to $40 per visit. Additionally, some pet sitters work part-time, while others run enormous businesses and earn 6 figures by hiring dozens of independent contractors. Local research is the greatest approach to finding out what you might take as a pet sitter. You can easily make money as a dog walker or pet sitter if you have prior expertise caring for animals, either personally or professionally. You might also want to note that 2 well-known pet sitting and dog walking applications, Rover and Wag, can rapidly put you in touch with paid tasks. Number 4. Food taste tester. Think of yourself as a foodie. Before placing their items on the shelves of supermarkets or the tables of restaurants, companies are frequently looking for consumers to test them out. A food taster is a professional whose primary responsibility is to sample food that has been prepared by someone else, to assess its safety and other attributes. They accomplish this by taking a tiny bite of a particular cuisine and concentrating on its essential ingredients. The average annual salary for a taste tester in the US, as of August 13th, is $30,778. That comes out to roughly $14.80 an hour, in case you need a quick pay calculator. Here, it is important to note that this amounts to $591 each week, or $2,564 per month. Number 5. Video game testers. Let me tell you that video game testers are essential to the creation of video games, since they're tasked with identifying and reporting bugs or glitches before the game is released to the general public. As for salary, the annual salary for a game tester is approximately $45,602. A game tester's hourly wage in the US ranges from $7.25 to $44.10, with an average of $14.13. Your expertise level and the employer you work for will both have a significant impact on your game testing income. And if you're a game freak, then you're not only going to enjoy this field, you're going to make some good money at it as well. Number 6. Advertise on your car. Did you know that certain businesses will pay you to place advertisements on your car? This does imply that you can make money while using your car like you would every day. For any one ad campaign, drivers can typically expect to make between $250 and $1,300 per month. Companies will pay to place advertisements on your car as it would be a moving billboard. Number 7. Virtual friendship services. Someone who pays for your company online is a virtual friend. Many folks are looking for a conversation partner. A serious issue is loneliness. Many people don't have close pals with whom to hang out or don't want to commit to a relationship. All humans, except for hermits, occasionally yearn for social interaction. Some folks simply require an objective listener. When things are difficult, others are fed up with fake social media contact and yearn for true human connection, even if it means paying for it. Specialized individuals with particular interests or skills can earn up to $50 per hour. So, in theory, a full-time skilled friend could earn up to $2,000 per week. Number 8. Real estate photographer. Currently, the compensation for a real estate photographer is $52,554. However, the range is often between $43,742 and $64,635. Salary ranges can vary significantly depending on a variety of crucial aspects, including schooling, credentials, supplementary talents, and the length of time you've been working in a given field. The typical base fee for real estate photographers ranges from $150 to $200 per shoot, depending on your location and service options. A real estate photographer is a creative expert who takes appealing pictures of real estate, both commercial and residential. They collaborate with realtors who market properties online using photos. Photographs taken by real estate photographers may also be used by model home rebuilders, designers, interior designers, or architects. Real estate photographers are in charge of both the pre- and post-production of their images. They are in charge of taking attractive property photos, and this work may involve pre-photo styling, as well as post-photo retouching and editing. Photographers are experts in lighting, composition, and camera technology. They also have an eye for design. However, if you already possess the necessary technical abilities and natural flair, having a degree is not necessary. Self-taught photographers do exist, and practice will help you refine your abilities. Number 9. House sitting. When a homeowner is away, a house sitter is in charge of keeping an eye on the house to make sure it's occupied. The house sitter is responsible for carrying out standard upkeep tasks, while the owner is away from the property. They live there and keep an eye on security, making an average of $56,000 a year or $27 an hour. House sitters comply with the homeowner's requests and take quick action in an emergency. They lock doors, close blinds and curtains, close windows, and install alarm systems. They also contact the relevant service providers to fix malfunctioning plumbing and air conditioning systems and water interior plants as directed by the homeowners. These folks prefer someone to stay in their houses. It's best to become bonded to perform this duty, but it's a rather simple job. If you guys still didn't grab your favorite merch on Income Addict, link is down below. Use the code GLORY for discounts. That's all for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to share your thoughts with us in the comments section below, and while you're here, click to watch one of these 2 videos appearing on your screen right now. I'll see you there. Take care and stay tuned.